Signalpeak solved the issue of paying over 20 different memberships for 20 different Signal groups. I bet that's you as well. I used to pay for so many different Signal providers, and to be honest with you, they weren't all fantastic because they weren't all combined into one. Now, Signalpeak solved that. They're allowing you to pay a one-time fee, which is about 1% of the price of these premium groups. And they're all going to be in one folder for you. That means you can jump between what signals you want to use without having to rebuy memberships, without having to repay different costs. You get it all in one place. And I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about today. If you're confused about this, it's to do with trading in the crypto markets, guys, and the Forex markets, finding people that can do it for you, but without paying the $5,000 a year membership just for one group. You're going to get over 100 groups for one lifetime fee of just $350. But even better, you're going to get to try today for absolutely free. So keep all the way to the end of this video, guys. I'm going to show you how to do that. Please note this disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. It's time to show you the solution of how you can save thousands and thousands of dollars and have one folder that saves you all the time in the financial markets. Let's go. All right, guys, so you can see here on signalpeak.io. All right, this is the website that I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to go straight into the Telegram group, but I first want to show you, look who's even talking about this. Benziga, Newsmax, Business Insider, so many, all right? And that's because they have every crypto group you can imagine trying to get your hands on. Not only do they have some of the top 5, okay, with Fed Rush and Alex Friedman, Master of Binance Kills and the Bull, but they also have stuff for every single person in here. Now, you might have been paying a membership, for example, for Woods WWG VIP. You might have been paying a membership for Crypto Monkey, but here you could pay one-time lifetime fee and get all of these in the same package. And let me show you exactly how to do that, guys. All right, I'm going to dive into Telegram now before I talk about anything else and show you exactly how to do it. So you're going to go up here and start your free trial. It's going to take you to the Telegram site and say, open Telegram, and let's rock. All right, guys, in here, you're going to see it's going to come up and ask you what it is you want to do. All right, so I'm going to click the one-day free trial and get involved with this. It's then going to come up with Crypto Channels 1, Crypto Channels 2, or Forex. Now, how this works is if you click Crypto Channels 1, all right, you're going to get access to 100 groups. You just press OK and add them, guys, and it will add the entire lot to your page. Now, with Crypto 2, you could do this, and I'll show you how to do it. You press Add Folder here, and it's going to add the entire crypto group. Now, I have actually got mine organized because I know which ones I like to trade. All right, and same with Forex, guys. You can use all of this. Every single one of these is involved in the 3-day free trial, but after 1 day, it will cut off. You will either have to pay $99 a month, or like me, you pay $350 for life, never pay a thing again. So let's just have a look at what I'm talking about, guys. All right, so these are some of the groups on here. Let me expand this. All right, you can see some of the biggest groups in the world. They're always posting, guys. This is live signals. Look at this. All right, the last one coming in on Binance team talking about how incredible it's going to be with ZIL USDT. Long leverage here. It tells you the entry, the targets, and the stop loss. Now, guys, this is not the group I want to focus on today. I want to talk about Binance Killers, which is by far my favorite. Now, how do they send a signal on Binance Killers? And guys, by the way, this costs $5,000 a year to get the membership just to this one group. But with Signalpeak, you're paying $350 for life, and you're getting all of these. So going in here, you can see this is how they send a signal. All right, ENA to USDT, they're going to tell you it's a 2 to 3x signal. All right, the direction is long, so it's either going to be long or short. And here's your target. They actually took the target, guys, and it's a 10% profit on this one. Okay, that is insane. Now, if you actually go to the signal it sent, you'll see when it sent it. It told you the entry would be 0.5667 to 0.5515. The targets are here of what they're trying to hit and the stop loss. So which target did we actually hit? If we go back to the results from that trade, 0.573, we actually slapped straight onto the first target it said. So you are instantly in profit. They send you a markup so you can see exactly what it is they're telling you to trade. They're not just saying, hey, go in here blind. They're showing you it. Now, Binance Killers is fantastic, guys. And again, this will cost you $5,000 on its own. But you get all of these, including some of the biggest names out there like Alex Friedman, okay, all for that one price. Again, it's only $350. All right, as you can see here. Now, I don't care what you do. I admire everyone that wants to get into the financial markets. I think you should try it for free no matter what, because I promise you, you'll love it just as much as me. Okay, so if you want to try it free, guys, please do that, okay? They got so many premium features, guys, and it's very, very simple. Over 1,000 average monthly signals coming out, 92% success rate over all the groups, and over 200 VIP members already shooting through each group. That's each group, guys. There's thousands of people using Signalpeak in total. Again, choose the group that you want. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor. Try that 3-day trial with the link down below. Please let me know how you get on. It's absolutely insane. And if you're in any of the other memberships, make sure you cancel them, get this one-time fee, and save yourself thousands of dollars. Even put that into your trading account like I did and make it multiply. I'll see you on the next video. After you've hit that like, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Let's go.